Can you describe a particularly meaningful performance for you?
The Malkeinu Shepherd Quartet, I was part of it, so we went to perform at the Three Cultures Festival in the center of this beautiful Spanish city, Islamic, Christian and Jewish cultures. And we sang and we played, and there was one number that I did on my own, not with the quartet, but they all had a little rest, and I sang, accompanying myself. I sang Avinu Malkeinu, not a Yiddish song. I sang Avinu Malkeinu, and I remember an interesting feeling then, because it was a prayer, it was outdoors. Performing outdoors can be difficult, especially if you're singing something slow, meaningful, sometimes quiet, that requires focus from the audience, and it's not jumpy and fast. And the audience were listening, and I was singing with full commitment to it as a prayer. And I remember just the sense of actually channeling something and just being a vessel for that song. But that sense of channeling something much greater than myself through a song came then, 2009 I think, in Spain. And now since then I try every performance, to make every performance into that spiritual experience for myself and for my audiences.